What up, guys? Today we're going to talk about how to set up the GoHighlevel software from scratch to make sure that you guys not missing anything, not skipping any step, and ensuring that you have a smooth launch at the end of this video series. So if anyone who have not known me yet, my name is Vico Kang from Vicolize Online Consultant. I run a multi-six-figure marketing agency that serves real estate agents in Australia and New Zealand to get more listing and be more profitable in their business. At the same time, we also an official GoHighlevel partner. We have actually onboarded 200 plus agency owner onto the software at this time of recording. So if you haven't got an account yet, make sure that you actually click the link on the description to make sure that you are actually using our affiliate link to get an account to get that bonus extension when it comes to the free trial. So you're going to get a 30-day free trial when you're actually using our affiliate link. So Highlevel itself is originally offer a 14-day free trial, but because we are an official partner with them, you are actually getting the benefit of the 30-day extension when it comes to the free trial, as well as qualify for our bonus gift and our snapshot. If you want to know more detail about the bonus gift and the help and the support, the snapshot that we actually offer for new user, as aka new affiliate that join Highlevel through us, make sure that you also check the link in the description as well. Without further ado, let's get on to the video.
Alright, so in this video, I'm just going to show you a couple of things which you need to update in order for you to get started in using this software. So first off, once you logged in, make sure that you go directly into settings. And then you can see here under business info, make sure that you have updated your business logo, input your business name, your business email, and this is very important for you to get a professional email because you are going to benefit from it in the long run. Establish a business phone number. You don't want people to be spamming your own or personal phone number, right? Company website, if you don't have one, you can just leave it blank. We can take care of it at a later time. Company and niche, you can just select from the drop down like wherever category your business falls into. Custom niche, if you can't find any here, then just make sure to input one in this field. Don't forget to update company. And then under company address, make sure that you fill out all of this information, especially with the time zone, because this is gonna come in handy later on when you're gonna set up your calendar. Under general, you don't have to really think about this. It's not necessary. Call and voicemail settings, not necessary at all for you. Missed call, text back, not these things are just applicable if you're gonna do SMS marketing, but in this case I don't suggest that you do this, not unless again you wanted to use SMS marketing as one of your marketing channel. Next, we go to the My Staff section. So this is where you're gonna add like employees that you have. For example, you do have a virtual assistant that is helping you out with your business. You do have, other email address or any other people that you want to get involved in here. Take note that when you're adding someone, you have to make sure that you just give them the right role and permission in order for them to just access things that you wanted them to see. Under pipelines, this is where you can set up your own marketing pipeline. So in this case, we have a few samples. Like for example, if we wanted to track like the stages where our leads are actually in at the moment, I want to see how many leads have signed up, how many leads have I followed up, how many leads were able to book an appointment, and at the same time all those leads that were able to sign up for your program, for your product, and all that stuff. So this is just an example. You can name it according to your business, or you can name it according to what you want. Calendars, I'm gonna create a separate video for this. Just make sure that you have selected the right time zone, because later on I'll show you how you can set up your calendars. This is gonna replace Calendly and any other calendar software out there, so it's gonna save you a couple of bucks. Phone numbers, if you're gonna use Twilio or SMS marketing. In this case, if you wanted to use SMS marketing, there's gonna be a separate software that you need to purchase, which is Twilio. That's the partner that we have. And the good thing about it is that you're just gonna be charged like per credit. So it's like you're gonna top up, and then whatever you send, it's just gonna take credit from whatever top up you did. But I'm also gonna talk more about it in a separate video. Custom fields. These are the custom fields that you wanted to include in the forms or survey that you wanted to set up, but we will also do a separate video on this. Sorry, domains. So it's very important for you to purchase a domain because you're gonna need it for your funnel, sales page, or website later on. Custom values. It's also important for you to set up a custom value so that when you do your newsletters, your email campaigns, your SMS, your website, this is gonna be helpful. Media library. This is where you're gonna store your asset, like all of those pictures, videos that you wanted to upload to your funnels, email campaigns. This is where it's gonna go. URL redirect, separate video on this. Integrations, a separate video, and then the rest is gonna be on a separate video.